So Elizabeth, New Jersey here, and so what we're gonna do, we're gonna walk around and we're going to basically talk a lot so we don't have any issues with, you know how it is online, issues with any music. So we just have to make sure that we talk over any music. So I'm gonna be talking a lot. And sometimes I sing over the music, so it happens. Let's see if that helps. But this is how it is online. You know the drill. You know the drill. Creator kryptonite. That's what I call it whenever there's copyrighted kind of music. You know what I'm saying? And I used to DJ. I DJ'd for a while, like 12 years. So I know about the DJ scene. And we got Little Big Guy here. Let me plug in Little Big Guy. Little Big Guy needs some juice. 1 second. All right, so we're rocking the 4K and we're rocking the live stream. Two different experiences here. Live streams are low quality, kind of, so I like to do both at the same time. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's walk around. And I gotta talk a lot because we do have copyrighted music going on. So I have to make sure that we're talking over the music. They got the stage over here. So there is a stage over there that's dropping a lot of music. We have a lot of vendors over here. So we have some cool vendor spots over here. We got some ice cream over there. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, so I gotta talk over the music like I said, because I have to. Part of the game. So yeah, we got the microphone over here. Hopefully the microphone can hear me. But yeah, so it's getting busy here now. Now there's a lot more people here than before. There was some people here before, but it's getting actually a lot busier now. So yeah, this is a good spot. My first time here, it's our first time here. And yeah, I've been to the similar festivals in Perth Amboy, Puerto Rican, Dominican. So we kind of know what's going on. But yeah, there's a lot of people dancing over here. Yeah, we got the people dancing. Let me raise the cameras up a bit. We can show the people dancing. We got a group. We got a group here dancing. I really can't see that well because there's people in the way. But we do have some entertainment going on. I'm going to lift the cameras as far as I can. But yeah, we got the entertainment rocking. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Pretty awesome. Alright, I really can't see in there that well. So we're gonna walk. We could go up on the bleachers a little, but it's kind of hard to get up there anyway. So yeah, that's why there's a crowd forming over that way. Alright, let's shoot over here. Let's head over like towards the street. So as you can see, a lot of people are crowding around the stage. This is where the performers are right now. So yeah, it's pretty cool here. Pretty cool. There's a lot of people, so we're really grooving. As you can see, Puerto Rican Waterfront Parade and Festival. So that's where we're at right now. Let's stroll over this way. Let's get out by the street. There's a little bit less music over by the street over here, so let's go. Let's rock and roll. Let's go, let's go. Let's shoot over this way. All right, all right, all right. Okay, so yeah, it's a pretty cool event. So yeah, it's a great day. We had some bad weather. We had thunderstorms. We had fires from Canada. So today is we're much better off today on the Sunday than we were yesterday. So this thing was going on yesterday too, but I don't think there was many people here yesterday. I would think so because there was really bad weather yesterday. So most likely today is the day where more people showed up for this event. So Elizabeth, New Jersey is pretty cool here. We do walk around the streets in Elizabeth often. We've done plenty of videos, but this is the first time at this festival. We have Newark Airport close by. There's an airplane in the sky. You can hear it, maybe you can see it on the camera. Yeah, so the airplanes fly very low here because we're right by the airport. So this is close by the airport. Let's roll around over here on the street. Let's go over this way. So this is Elizabeth Ave and Front Street. That's where we're at right now. As you can see, the street sign. It seems like people are more concentrated around the stage, around where the music is. But there are quite a bit of people, you know, out here on the outskirts over this way. Alright, so let's take a stroll over this way, but I have to talk a lot over the music, like I said. That's where we're at. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's go! Hopefully everyone can hear me okay. Hopefully the audio and the video is alright. So we're gonna cruise through here. Let's go, let's go! Pretty awesome spot here. We got a lot of cool flags going on, Puerto Rican and American flags everywhere. You see the American flags and the posts, American flag posts. So yeah, okay, oh, they got a dunk tank right there. That's pretty cool. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Puerto Rico, oh, Puerto Rico, oh, Puerto Rico, oh. Let's go, let's go. All right, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. All right. Woo. Let's go. All right, good times here. Good times in Elizabeth, let's go! Let's go! Alright, let's go! Oh yeah! Alright, let's go! Okay, a lot of fun today, a lot of fun today, good fun today. Let's go! Times, yeah. Okay, cool little festival. Definitely a cool little festival we got going here. All right. Let's head over here by the water. Let's head over here, Staten Island, across the water. We could go through this way over here. Let's go, let's go!